Oh, look, the changing of the seasons.
Though heading into the colder time of year is aesthetically beautiful
And allows us to comfortably dress in maximum body coverage.
it can be a bit of a nail-biter when you're in your new apartment and you're not sure if your radiator works.
But we got the tips to keep you warm and comfortable and maybe even save you a little dough along the way.
Like pizza dough?
No, the classic, I'm rubbing the money together. Could save you money along the way.
Dang, it's cold in here.
I know, but the radiator is working. I just checked. It seems heat is leaking out of this window. A classic heat leak situation. Should we get a new window?
In this economy? I don't think so. We can insulate this leaky window ourselves. This is so simple, it can be done by one person. So I'll let Colin handle this one.
What? Really?
Go ahead.
Come on, man.
I'll narrate you.
Do this every time.
You're gonna want to start with a freshly cleaned windowsill.
I gotta clean too. Sucks.
Next, you'll want to line the molding with double-sided tape.
This would be a lot easier with two people.
He's doing a great job. Next, measure the window, then cut a piece of plastic wrap to match. And remember to give yourself a little extra room. Don't forget, measure twice, cut once.
It's the same.
To apply the plastic wrap, start by removing the backing tape from the top of the window. Then press the plastic wrap against it firmly and make sure it's taut to avoid wrinkles.
Taut enough or what?
Looks taut to me. Starting at the top sides of each window, slowly peel the backing tape, pressing the plastic wrap down against the adhesive. Still has a couple other sides there, buddy, so.
It's a demonstration.
I would do the whole thing, so. Gotta get your asthma checked out there, buddy.
I know.
Now for the fun part. Colin, I'll take over. Now the packaging will say to use a heat gun to adhere the wrap to the window, but a hairdryer will do just fine.
I like to use a hairdryer to dry my hair, but you could also use it to seal a window. Or you can do both.
And we're done.
Well, in conclusion, winterproofing your windows saves money and uses less energy to heat your home.
This simple remedy will reduce your heating and electric bill, and you'll save a bunch of money.
Now that's DIY.
Did it? Yeah!